नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्लास 6 की मैथमेटिक्स में आज हम चैप्टर 7 फ्रैक्शंस पे चर्चा करेंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। हियर इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। इट इज गिवन दैट राइट द फ्रैक्शंस आर all these fractions equivalent. So how can you find the answer of this question? Dear, you can see in this question, this is a whole circle, okay, and it has two parts. One part is colored, that is shaded, and other is unshaded. So you will write the shaded part into the fraction form as this equal to 1 by 2. Correct. And now moving for next part, this is the second figure, and in this figure you can see that total parts of this circle is 4. 1 2 3 4, and shaded parts only 2. So you can write this into the fractional form at 2 by 4 because 2 is the shaded and total parts are 4. And now dear, if you cancel, you can simplify this. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So you can write this is also 1 by 2. After that, next one figure, you can see that total parts of this circle is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and shaded parts only how much? 1 2 3. So you can write this is just into the form, into the fractional form, that is 3 by 6. And you can also simplify it. You can write is 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So you can write this is also 1 by 2. And in the next figure, in this you can see that total parts of the circles are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and shaded parts 1 2 3 4. So you will write shaded part as into the numerator and other parts into the denominator, that is 4 by 8. Total parts 8, and you can simplify it. Then you can write it as 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, that is again 1 by 2. So you can see that all the numerical values of this shape has 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, also 1 by 2. So you can write that the fractional form are equivalent fractions. So you can write it as just like that. You can say that this is 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6 and equivalent just 4 by 8. So these all four fractions are equivalent. So you can say that this is the answer of this question. All fractions are equivalent. All fractions are equivalent. How can you say this is equivalent? Because the numerical value are equal, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 for each fraction. Now you can see here is the second question. This is the second diagram, just you can see. So the total in the first figure, total circles are how much? 12. Okay, and shaded circles are 4. So into the fractional form you can write it as 4 by 12, and you can simplify it. Then what can you write? You can write it just like that. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So it is 1 by 3. Okay, now in the second figure, total circles you can count. Total circles are 9 and shaded circles are 3 only. So into the fractional form you can write the answer of this question as this is 3 by 9, and into the simplest form you can write 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. So you can write this also 1 by 3. And now next one, here is total circles are 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And shaded circles are how much, dear? You can say that there are 2 shaded circles and total circles are 6. Into the simplest form you can write as 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. So again you can write it is just into the form of 1 by 3. And the last second last one's figure, total circles are 3 and shaded circles are 1. So you can write into the fractional form, this is dear 1 by 3, and you cannot simplify it, so this is same to same, you can write as 1 by 3. Okay, for the next figure. And the last figure, you can say that total circles are how much, that is 15. Okay, and the shaded circles 1 2 3 4 5 6. So shaded circles are 6. You can write this is 6 by 15, and you can cancel, dear, what are you write? So you can say that this is 1 2 3 4 5 5 3s are 15, total circles are 15, and shaded 1 2 3 4 5 6. So shaded circles are 6, and you can simplify it easily, as you can write this 6 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. So into the simplest form you can write this fraction as 2 by 5. So dear, you can observe this fraction having same numerical value, that is 1 by 3, and this fraction is having 1 by 3, and this figure is also having 1 by 3, and this one is also 1 by 3, but this one is not 1 by 3. So this fraction, this shape have no equivalent. You can say that finally, that is dear 4 by 12 just equivalent to 3 by 9, just equivalent to 2 by 6, just equivalent to 1 by 3 only. You cannot take this one, because this is not equal 1 by the value of 1 by 3. So this is not equivalent, okay, because this fraction have 2 the numerator and 5 as the denominator, but all other fractions are having numerator 1, that is equal, and denominator also equal. So these fractions are equivalent, but last one is not equivalent. Now moving for next question. Here is the question number 2, and in this question says that write the fraction and pair up the equivalent fraction to each row. तो यहाँ आपको फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिखना है और उसके बाद उसके पेयर बनाना, विच वन इज इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. सो द फॉर फर्स्ट पार्ट ए, what is the fraction? You can write this is just 1 by 2 into the fraction form, and for B part you can count there are total 6 part and 4 is shaded, so you can write this is 4 by 6. And now for part number C, you can count total parts are 9 and 3 are shaded, so you can write that 3 by 9. And for the part number D, you can say that total parts are 8 and 2 is shaded, so you can write that this is 2 by 8. And for the part number E, total shaded parts are how much? This is dear 1 2 3 4 and 3 is shaded, so you can write that 3 by 4. Now here come for the part number first, it is part number first, okay. So you can count how many triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 are the triangles and shaded are only 6. So you can write this is just into the fractional form, that is 6 by 18. And now next one, you can say that in this figure total shaded parts are 4 and total parts are 8, So you can write that this is 4 by 8. And now after that, part number third, you can count total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 4 the 16. Okay, here is also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 4 the 16. And shaded parts, there are 4 less into the 16 because 4 are unshaded. So you can write 12 by 16. You can write this just into the 12 by 16 as a fraction form. Okay, and now for moving next part, here is, you can say just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is unshaded parts are 4. So this is there 8 by 12. You can write that just like that, 8 by 12. And for the last part, number 5th, just you can see that total triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now shaded parts only 4 triangles. So you can write that this is 4 by 16. Okay, now which fractions are equivalent? You can say that here just it is 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So part number second and part number A, these are equivalent. So you can write that pair of equivalent fraction, pair of equivalent fraction. This is dear A and part number first. So this is the answer. Okay, now for next pair, you can see this is 4 by 6. 4 by 6, you can simplify it. So it is 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, means 2 by 3. Okay, and now here you can say that it is 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 both are. So you can write that part number B and part number 4 are equivalent fractions. So you can write that part number B and second part number 4, this is also equivalent fraction. So this is the next pair. After moving for next number C part, so you can write this is just like that, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, 1 by 3. Okay, and here you can see in the second part how much this is there, 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. So part number C and part number first is a pair of equivalent fractions. So you can write that for the next answer, that is C and part number first, these are equivalent fraction. Now for next one is, you can say this is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8, that is 1 by 4. And here 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. So again 1 by 4, 1 by 4 means D and part number 5th, these are the equivalent fractions. So you can write that part number D and part number 5th, this is the pair of equivalent fraction. Now remaining 3 by 4. So it is 3 by 4, you cannot simplify it, and here you can say that this is 12 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16. So this is again 3 by 4, means E part and third part is also pair of equivalent fraction. So you can write that is E part and third part. E part and the part number third, these are pair of equivalent fractions. So this is the question. And question number 3 of this exercise says that replace this box, means what is the number in the place of box when these fractions are equivalent. So dear, you observe what is the denominator of the first fraction. This is 2. So what you multiply in this 2, then you will get 8. 4, 4 to the 8. So same number you will multiply here. That is 4. So 4 7 ja 28. So you will fill here 28. So this is the answer of this question. Correct. Now see another 5 by 8. What you will multiply in this 5?
2.
Then you will get 10.
Sir,
So 2 and this 2 also multiplied here.
16.
So here you will fill 16. Okay. Again here, because box is in the numerator, so you will observe the denominator of the first fraction. Here first fraction denominator is 5. So what you multiply in this 5, then you will get 20. Correct? 4. So you will multiply here 4 and same way you here also multiply
12.
Yes, 12 is the answer. And in the same way, up next process, here you multiply in each case, but here you can observe that these are the largest number and here is the smallest number. It means you will divide here. What?
Divide.
Here you will divide. So it is the box and here is the number. So what you divide 45? Which number you will divide this 45? Then you will get the result 15. 3 से अगर हम 45 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो आप देखिए 3 1 जा 3, रिमाइंडर इज 1 and 5, 3 5 जा 15, so it is 15 and this is cancelled out, nothing here. So you will divide this 45 by 3, then you will get 15. Also you will divide this 60 by 3, same number. So what you will get? 20. That is, here you will fill 20. Because if you divide this by 3, then 3 2 ja 6, 2 and 1 0 is remaining. So you put here. Same way in this question. This is the largest, this is the smallest. It means you will divide it. Correct. So this is the box and here is the number. So you can observe which number you will divide by 24. Then you will get the result for 6. 24. If you divide 24 by 6, then you will get the result 4. So same way here is also divide by 6. सेम नंबर से ही डिवाइड करना है जो आपको यहाँ मिल रहा है. तो 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 6 3 जा 18. So here you will fill 3. So 3 is the answer. Correct? तो यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें आपने ऑब्जर्व की होंगी कि आपको डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. डिवाइड कब करते हैं? When you will required largest number in the box. और डिवाइड कब करते हैं? When you will get the smallest number in the box. अब ये कैसे पता चलेगा? ये आपके नेक्स्ट जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है नंबर वहाँ से पता चल जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ 24 है, यहाँ 4 ही आ रहा है. So 4 is the smallest number from the 24. It means you will divide it 100%. And in this question, you can see that this is 28, this is 2, and this is 8. Means 8 is largest number from the 2. It means you will multiply it. Okay? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will see next question. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Whose denominator is 20, numerator is 9, denominator is 30 and numerator is 27. So how can you find the equivalent fraction? So here is the question number 4. Okay. So dear, you will write the given fraction first of all. The given fraction is 3 by 5. This is the first step. And here you will write equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction 3 by 5, whose denominator is 20. So what you will multiply in this 5, then you will get the 20. Because question says denominator. So you will observe only denominator. Because here is given denominator, so you will observe only denominator. So what you will multiply in this 5, so that you will get 20. 4. So same way here you will multiply 4 and here is also 4. So you will get this is 12 by 20. You can observe that now. Denominator is 20. Okay. So numerator is automatically changed according to the question. So this is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Correct? Okay. Now in this question numerator is given. Numerator you will observe here numerator only. Okay. So आप लिखोगे equivalent fraction. Equal to, first of all you will write the given fraction. After that numerator is 9. So what you multiply here numerator only you will observe numerator. Why? Because numerator is given. Okay, here is numerator. So you will see only of numerator. So what you will multiply in 3 that is in numerator, so that you will get 9. 3. So same way you will multiply 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So you will get
9 by 50.
Correct. So this is the equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay. Now part number D. Denominator. So you will observe only denominator. So first of all you will write equivalent fraction. First of all you will write the given fraction 3 by 5 and then
Into 6.
denominator.
Into 6.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you will multiply here 6 because 5 में अगर आप 6 से multiply करते हो then you will get
30.
so you will multiply here 6 in 6 you will get
Sir, 18 by 30.
correct very nice. अच्छा दूसरा मेथड भी है अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं ये नंबर बताने क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा. कैसे? Here is 30. What is this? Denominator. And here you will observe what is the denominator? 5. So you will divide this 30 by 5. 30 को 5 से डिवाइड कर दो तो वो नंबर मिल जाएगा आपको जो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करना. तो देखो 30 को 5 से डिवाइड करो तो 5 6 जाए 6 मिल गया. Yes, of course you will multiply 6 in both places, numerator and denominator. सेम वे अगर मैं यही पूछूं कि इस वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर इसी मेथड से दो तो आप क्या लिखोगे? पहले लिखोगे इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन पहले तो आपको फ्रैक्शन लिख लेना जो गिवन है 3 by 5. ओके. अब आप देखोगे यहाँ पे 27 है. व्हाट इज 27? न्यूमरेटर है. तो आप यहाँ पे 27 को न्यूमरेटर यहाँ भी है न्यूमरेटर यहाँ न्यूमरेटर से डिवाइड कर दो. 27 को 3 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 9 मिलेगा. Yes, of course. Now you will multiply 9 and 9. Then you will get
7 by 45.
27 by 45.
correct. So this is the equivalent fraction of 3 by.
3 by 5.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
तो दोनों तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. ऐसे भी वैसे करना है तो आप देखो 27 3 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि आपको रिजल्ट 27 मिलेगा. सो 9. अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्ट पता करना चाहते हो क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 27 को न्यूमरेटर ये भी है न्यूमरेटर ये भी है 27 को 3 से डिवाइड कर दो अपने आप वो नंबर मिल जाएगा जिससे हमें डिवाइड इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है फॉर द फाइंडिंग द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर?